Hey everybody, Alejandro back here with another video from Geniuslink. Now that you know how to connect your affiliate program to our service, let's take a look at your links page and how to build simple links and a few other features to get you started. So we're going to head over to your links page. Now, there are different approaches to building Genie.us links. The good news is since you have your affiliate IDs already loaded, you only need the product URL to begin building links. So since you already loaded that ID in the previous video, you're good to go in terms of your affiliate IDs. You can also build an unlimited number of links inside our service and customize them at any time. Many of our new clients use our simple link building feature to get started. The question is how do you create a link manually? Well, first of all, there are 4 types of links you can build inside of our links page. Let's click here to look at all the different types. You have your simple links, choice page links, A/B split links, and advanced. For this example, we're going to focus on simple links since they will be the most useful for you as a beginner. With simple links, you can build shortened Genie.us links and measure your traffic. Destinations can be edited at any time from within our dashboard, and if you're looking to one of our supported programs, we'll automatically apply your affiliate tracking IDs once you've created your links. If you're linking to Amazon specifically, we'll automatically locate international product matches and redirect your traffic accordingly with your region-specific associate ID attached. For most clients, this tool will be the go-to source for creating Genie.us links, giving you the ability to customize your URL suffixes and advanced targeting rules, create retargeting pixels, and a lot more. So we're going to go ahead and paste in one of the products from Amazon. And I pasted in a Sony Discman, if you guys remember those. Once you've pasted in the link into your link generator, you can edit the suffix to help users understand what they are about to click on. For Amazon links, you'll want to view our Amazon localization visualizer. Now, just as a tip here, you can't change the suffix after you've already created it. It's locked in, and you won't be able to edit that. Now, below is our Amazon visualizer. The visualizer will display a perfect match, a near match, search, or no local match result for each storefront in the world. So we've got India, Brazil. It'll show all these different results and whether or not there's a perfect match. This will tell you whether or not your link is properly translating and should help you have an idea of which countries you'll need to manually tweak to get your audience to the right product. Additionally, we'll be able to tell you whether the product is getting affiliated, which you'll find right here, in each country based on the tracking IDs you have added to your account. So if you don't have Saudi Arabia loaded in, it's not going to show as affiliated. It'll show not affiliated. But if it is, it will show affiliated. Next, can I edit a link after it's been created? So let's go ahead and save this link. So we'll create the link. We're going to be back on our links page. If you ever feel like changing things up, you can easily edit your links directly within the Geniuslink dashboard without ever having to change the links on your website, social post, email campaign, etc. Once a Genie.us link is in place, you'll never need to update the link on that page again. You can also view individual link reports per link here. As you can see, I'm hovering over stats. That's your individual link reports, as well as clone a link, which is copying a link, or archiving a link. We don't allow for deleting links, but archiving will just make sure that it doesn't show up on your links page unless you filter it. So how do you grab a Genie.us link to paste somewhere else? Good question. The best place to do that is right here, where it says link copied. Once you've created your link, you'll want to share it with your audience, and the best place to grab your link is by clicking on the share icon underneath the link text. I hope this video has helped explain our links page and simple link building process. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at help@genie.us. Stay tuned for our next video in this series showing how to navigate through our reports page. See you next time.